We will guide you through how to change Photoshop interface color. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop. Click Edit on the top menu to open the main application options. Select Preferences near the bottom of the menu to access Photoshop's customizable settings. Click Interface from the Preferences categories to open the controls that affect the appearance of menus, panels, and the surrounding workspace. Find the Appearance section near the top of the interface settings. Look at the available color themes. Select the darkest theme when you want a darker interface that reduces surrounding brightness and helps colorful artwork stand out. If you prefer a brighter workspace or find dark menus difficult to read, select one of the lighter themes instead. Check the interface preview as you switch between the choices, paying attention to the menu bar, tool panels, icons, labels, and areas around the canvas. Adjust the standard screen mode color if needed to control the background surrounding your document during normal editing. Adjust the full screen background color if needed so the workspace remains comfortable when Photoshop is displayed without its usual window borders. Review the other interface settings before continuing, including border appearance, highlight colors, panel behavior, and any display options that may affect your workflow. Once the theme and background choices look right, click OK to apply the changes and close the Preferences window. Look around the Photoshop workspace and check that the new interface color appears consistently across the menus, toolbar, panels, and canvas area. If some elements do not update correctly, save any open work, close Photoshop, and restart the application so the selected appearance settings can load completely in a fresh session.